life updates. It's November 29, Monday, and we just got back from our Christmas party. We spent the weekend sa Batangas at Baserri. Fun fact, dun kami kinasal. And it was just really so fun. So, of course, before kami pumunta doon, we had everyone tested. We made sure na lahat nakapag-antigen test. Good morning. It is November 27. It's the company's Christmas party today. But before we head out and prepare, of course, we need to do and celebrate. We need to celebrate responsibly. So, I am taking a saliva antigen test. The entire team, the entire company also did this just to make sure that everyone's safe. We have been... I'm so excited for this. Honestly, first time ko lang attend ng Christmas party na ako yung attendee. Wala akong pin-prepare dito except sa pagbayad. And I'm just really proud of my team. Good job, Mary. Good job, Jazel. Good job, Grachel. And all of the people who helped us. So I'm just waiting for the result. Meanwhile, let's go ahead and marvel on my nails. Ang cute niya, grabe. What the heck? Look at that. It's so pulido. This is Polygel, by the way. Usually, yung mga Polygel ang kakapal eh. But these ones, oh gosh. It just feels like and looks like an original or real nail. Grabe yarn. Yay! Negative! Ayan. Proof. Okay. 1 line negative, 2 lines positive, and we only got 1 line. They also sent us photos and videos of their negative results. Tapos, we went to Baserri Saturday morning. So, we started the day with team buildings. Tapos, after that, we had lunch. And then, we chilled after. Nag-pool kami with the entire team. Nag-bonding, chikahan, photos, etc. Tapos, we started the program around 6 p.m. Sobrang fun nun. Kasi, talagang almost all of the departments participated. Meron silang mga numbers, meron silang mga performances, as in super career. We had a TikTok-themed party. Tapos, ang galing-galing lang kasi I swear, sobrang taas ng energy, as in lahat super career with their props, etc.
Pakolap kami ngayon, ma'am!
Ang saya kasi sama-sama kami doon eh. So, IO, so that's all of our e-com brands. Amarah, the restaurant, Rapidex Logistics, Boss Lando Guild. Lahat talaga ng mga staff namin magkakasama for the Christmas party. So, it was so surreal. It used to be a dream of mine na mapagsama-sama kami in one event. So, ayun, after the dance-off or dance competition, nag-move on kami with the iconic Jack and Poy battle. Sobrang talaga nito, big deal nito sa amin. Kasi, how it goes is lahat ng mga participants, as in lahat ng mga tao, except myself, sasali dun sa Jack and Poy battle. So, meron silang tigwa 100 peso bills. So, Jack and Poy, hanggang sa isa lang ang mananalo. So, sobrang nakaka-tense, sobrang exciting. Tapos, we ended the night with, of course, the awardings. Congratulations again, Fulfillment, for winning the competition. 2-peat na sila, back-to-back champions. Congratulations again, guys. And then, we ended with drinks and pool and fun conversations and workshops. Nakakatawa. Hindi ko alam kung makakahanap ako ng video na nagtutwerk ako. Pero hindi ko alam kung gusto ko bang ilagay dito. Baka hindi nyo na ako galangin. But, ayun, we really had so much fun. I am so grateful with this 3-man team. I would like to give a shout out to Jazel, Grachel, and Mary for organizing this event. Sobrang saya na for once, finally, I get to be an attendee. And what? Hindi ko na kailangang mag-organize. What? Pwede lang ako umattend nang walang iniisip. And all I need to do is pay for the event and that's it. Grabe, ang galing nyo. Thank you again so much, ladies, for doing this. And I would also like to thank you. Ikaw na nanonood ngayon, thanks so much for supporting our brands. Thanks so much for supporting me, for all of our causes. Because hindi namin to magagawa at all. Hindi kami lalaki at all if not for you. So, love you guys. Ayun. Tapos, ang daming stories na would stay in Baserri. It was just really fun. It's a very fun night. And ayun lang. I hope you enjoyed this. And let me know if you enjoy these kinds of vlogs by liking, commenting on the comment box below, and sharing this video hopefully. Let me know ano din yung favorite part mo dito sa vlog na to. And ayun lang. Thanks again so much for your support. And I will see you on the next one. Bye! Shirt by 10, by the way. Look at this. It's so cute. It's a cup noodle shirt. Get it from www.10.ph. Thank you. Have a great day ahead. Bye.